Guangdong GFD Commercial Technology Company Limited was formerly known as Guangzhou INEO Kitchen Equipment Company Limited, located in Foshan, Guangdong, the south of China, has two major brands, INEO and GFD. INEO began in 2008 and has been developed for 14 years. We have become one of the largest suppliers of commercial kitchen equipment in China. Our products have been exported to 148 countries and have successfully completed more than 2,500 projects, such as world-renowned hotel chains such as Sheraton, Hilton, Crown Plaza, etc., as well as some international organizations and well-known enterprises, such as the United Nations Peacekeeping Force, the Bangladesh Air Force, Mobil Petroleum, Sinopec, etc., which are all our cooperation partners. In addition to North America and Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, developing countries such as Africa also recognize our products very high. Our cooperated factory mainly focus on cooking equipment, refrigerated equipment, and stainless steel products, have more than 100 workers and staffs, including R&D department, quality control department, production department, sales engineer team, including design, procurement, quality inspection, logistics, installation, commissioning, after sales, etc. There are total 12 production lines in our cooperated factories, which are strictly in accordance with the control requirements of the ISO 9001 quality management system. From the incoming raw materials to the outgoing finished products, we have professional quality inspectors responsible for their own process and last process recheck.